I give you all my efforts. No friends, no social life, not enough income and money, but I still love to compose music. But I still love sing and play music. Day and night I give you all my efforts till I die, but I still love to compose music. Day and night I give you all my efforts till I die, but I still love sing and play music. Sometimes I can't afford buy food, sometimes I can't afford pay the gasoline. Sometimes musicians are suffering and struggling, yeah. Sometimes they need to sell equipment only that they can survive. The gigs are really low paid, how we can survive, and we hope lockdown will never coming back. And bills must be paid till I die, and bills must be paid till I die, but I still love till I die what I am doing till I die, but I still love, 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 love it till I die, but I still love, love, love it. And a new year, a new hope and dreams will come, and we still going forward till we die, yeah. Hard-working musicians, hard-working musicians, hard-working musicians. They still love what they doing till they die, but the music will never die, but the music will never die. Day and night I give you all my effort till I die, but I still love